video, and decided to flip the truck around. I like it backed in. But as soon as I started backing out of the driveway, it started hearing, almost sounded like a rod knock, but it wasn't consistent. Clunk, 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 clunk. And I drove it around the block a couple of times, and I don't hear it now since I backed it in. I'm not leaking anything. Oil is still good. I don't know if something's loose. I don't see anything. Fire it up again real quick here and just see, but it's so nice having that door fixed where it doesn't just flop all the way open now and hit the fender. I don't hear it now. I hear a little valve noise, but yeah, it was definitely a clunk. It was just intermittent. Not missing any lugs, so it's nothing from the wheels. Actually rolls really nice right now. Flowmasters. So I don't know. Maybe it only does it when it's really cold. Maybe I put a little too thick of an oil in there and this motor's just that wore out. So I'm not hearing it. It's not making that. It was a definite clunk, clunk, clunk. Maybe I put a little too thick of an oil in it or something with this wore out motor. Will we put 1030 in this thing? So, oh well, that's gonna do it for this video. Good truck though. I like this thing. Been a pretty good summer so far. Doing a few things on this truck. Valve covers, fuel filter. We do something else with the hood, I can't remember now. Stickers on the air cleaner. Headlight rings. Repack the front bearings, although I think we used the wrong grease, but oh well. Yeah, hopefully it's not something too serious. If I have to drop the oil, I have to drop the oil. So, alrighty, well that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Just another quick video. Keep them short, keep people watching.